Okay, this next exercise Alexa is going to demonstrate is basically abduction with a cable. There's a lot of different ways you can do this. You can do this with body weight. You can do this on an adduction machine where you sit down and change the strain across the inner thigh or the outer thigh, depending on what you want to work on, whether the abductors or the adductors. The adductors are inside the thigh. The abductors are the ones that Alexa's working on by extending her leg to the side. And specifically that targets the gluteus medius muscle, which inserts on the outside of the prominent hip bone called the greater trochanter. And it's an extremely important muscle complex to build. If you have weak abductors, it'll allow your pelvis to drop or to tilt. And when you walk, you'll see people that have very weak abductors kind of throw their hip around. We call it circumduct. They have to kind of throw their hip around because they can't lift their leg up. So it's a very important muscle in walking and keeping our pelvis even when we walk. When we lift one leg up, the other leg muscle is trying to stabilize, and if you have weak abductors, it'll drop. So it's important to build your abductors.